Hi there, students. To disregard as a verb and then disregard as an uncountable noun. To show disregard for something, to show a complete disregard for something, to have disregard for something. So as a verb, to disregard, it means you ignore something. You pay no attention to it. So you can disregard the last two readings in the experiment because the conditions had changed. So is to ignore completely, to pay no attention to something. If I start laughing, disregard me. It's something that I do the whole time. I'm not laughing at you. And then the government has a total disregard for the needs of the poor. Okay, he shows a total disregard for the rules. He disregarded, he didn't heed, he didn't listen to the warning. He disregarded the advice I gave him. He disregarded the order that the officer gave him. Yeah? So he disregarded the law. He didn't obey the law, but now he showed a complete disregard for the law. He didn't care about it. He wasn't interested in it. It was something that was of no importance to him. Okay, so if you show a complete disregard, you really just don't care about it at all. Yeah. Okay, you show a disregard. So he showed a reckless disregard for his own safety. Yeah, it's not something that he took into account. Yeah, in this case, he disregarded his safety. He disregarded his own safety. The dictatorship shows a ruthless disregard for basic human rights. They really don't care about them one way or the other. Yeah. Okay, so if you disregard a rule, you don't obey it. But if you show disregard for something, you really don't care about it. You have no interest in it at all. It's not something of any importance to you. Please disregard the mess in my office and sit down over there. He showed a blithe disregard for the feelings of other people. Yeah, her complete disregard for anybody else's opinion is something that I find amazing. Okay, so she shows a total disregard for other people's feelings. She doesn't care. It's not something that she takes into account. Yeah, and then to disregard, to pass about something, not to take it into account, not to think about it at all. Okay, so a complete disregard for other people's opinions. To disregard is just to ignore something. Yeah, but to have a total disregard for something is probably even stronger, because you don't even think about it to follow it or not follow it. You're not even not following it. You just don't care what it says. It's a non-thing. It's a non-item. Yeah. Whereas if you disregard it, you turn your back on it and you don't obey it. But if you have a total disregard for something, yeah, it's not even a question of obeying or not obeying. You have zero respect for it. It doesn't exist for you. Yeah, it is completely ignored. Okay, so to disregard. We should meet tomorrow. No, disregard that, because I'm busy tomorrow. Let's meet next week. Disregard. Okay, disregard. formality. I think a 6.5, 6 in formality, and the origin is regard. Yes, so negative, and then regard, which is to look at, from Middle English, regard. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Disregard.